Ventilators are literal lifelines for patients suffering from COVID-19, but they are still in dangerously short supply at some U.S. hospitals. Seeing this need sparked a team at Johns Hopkins University in Baltimore, Maryland, to act. 30 people from fields like engineering and medicine are developing an innovative device, a ventilator splitter that can be used by more than one patient. Sun Hoong Kang, assistant professor of mechanical engineering, is leading the team.
Right now, we want to first start with about 2 patients, but then we think that we might be able to extend to up to 4 patients.
The splitter is 3D printed with unique features. One is its branch-like shape, designed to mimic the pathways inside our lungs, which splits the air to different patients. There's also a controller to monitor and adjust airflow.
How well they can move air in and out of their lungs, as well as how much air they need, is going to be different between each patient. So we hope to address this by allowing the clinician to actually change the amount of air that each patient is getting afterwards.
The first question, the first concern that comes into my mind is, what about cross-contamination? But you say this design actually addresses that.
That's why we put a filter for both incoming air and also outgoing air, so that there is no contamination.
This new design improves upon a basic one used in the past during one of the worst mass shootings in U.S. history, the 2017 Las Vegas massacre. Ventilator splitting was used to stabilize some victims.
Splitting ventilators is really a last resort treatment option. It's the last treatment option because it is very dangerous. So it's a one-size-fits-all solution that might not be the best.
The Hopkins team says this new design removes those risks and makes it accessible to hospitals.
3D printing doesn't necessarily need a good kind of a manufacturing skill, so that the people without previous experience can easily kind of make this part. And then we'll also share how we assemble this part and how we kind of people can utilize, so that this kind of feature can be readily deployed to, hospitals all over the world.
The Hopkins team reports progress in its testing phase. The splitter is able to control airflow better than current commercial devices. They hope to get federal approval in the coming weeks, then get the device quickly to patients.
I feel really kind of excited about this effort.
And I think that's the one, silver lining out of all of this, is that it's really taught people to collaborate and work together. And I think the most important part is that it's your civic duty to do what you can during these difficult times.
Frances Coe, CGTN, Washington.